Hello students, we are discussing the chapter sets. Previous classes we discussed about the operations on sets, that is union operations, and also intersection operations we discussed. Another operation on set, that is we will discuss today, that is your difference operation on sets. Let A and B be any two sets then the difference of these two sets can be denoted as A minus B, or we can say B minus A. So difference of these two sets A and B, one can be A minus B and another can be B minus A. So how it is defined? And is defined as, let us find first A minus B. A minus B is again a set of which elements? Set of elements X, such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. So those elements lie in A minus B set which belongs to set A only but not in B. We'll exclude the elements of B from set A. That is your A minus B. Similarly, if we will find B minus A, so here B minus A is again a set of which elements? The elements of B not present in A, means we will exclude those elements of A from set B. So set B minus A is the elements X such that X belongs to B. X belongs to B and X does not belong to A. X does not belong to A. After the definition, let us solve this through an example. Suppose our set A contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another set B contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Now if we will find first A minus B, so what will be it? It will be the elements present in A not in B. First you check here, the element 1 present in A but not in B. So you can take first element 1. The element 2 present in A but present in B. So we will exclude 2 from A minus B. So 2 will not write. Next 3 present in A but not in B. So we can write 3. 4 present in A, present in B too. So 4 will be excluded from the set A minus B. 5 present in A but not in B. So we can write 5 in A minus B set. 6 present in A but 6 present in B. So 6 will not be written. So in this case our A minus B is the set of elements only 1, 3, 5. These elements are present in A but not in B, because previously we discussed in A minus B we will take only the elements of A, not the elements of B. We will exclude the elements of B from set A. Therefore our A minus B set is the only the elements 1, 3, 5. Next, if you want to find B minus A, so as per our definition, what is your B minus A? B minus A is the set of elements of B not in A. Means we'll exclude the elements of A from our set B. So first check B minus A. In set B, first element is 2. Is 2 present in A? So we'll not write in set B minus A. Then 4. 4 present in A also. So 4 will not be written in B minus A set. 6 present in B, 6 also present in A. So 6 will not be written in B minus C, A, because we will exclude the elements of A from set B. So 2, 4, 6, here 2, 4, 6 are present in A2. So these are not written in B minus A set, B minus A set. Rather say the element 8 present in B but not in A. So only the element 8 is the the B minus A is the set of element 8 only. Then after this example, if we want to find Venn diagram of the difference of two sets A minus B, then how it will be drawn? First let us draw A minus B. So as for the definition, A minus B is the set of elements of A not in B. So let us represent this in our Venn diagram. So as you know, Venn diagram, your universal set is U, which is represented by a rectangle. This is our set A, which is a subset of U, and another set B, which is also a subset of U. So what we will do, we will find A minus B. So see here, only we will consider the elements of A, not the elements of B. See here, this portion, the shaded portion here, what we are shading, these are the elements of A but not in B. Here, this part. So our shaded portion is the set A minus B. Similarly, if you want to draw B minus A, this is very easy. I think all of you can draw. After drawing A minus B, let us draw the Venn diagram of B minus A. So B minus A, here first our universal set A, U. A is a subset of universal set, B is also a subset of universal set. What we will draw here? B minus A. So B minus A, as per the definition, the elements of B but not in A. So elements of B, not in A. This part we will not consider because these are the elements of A. So only this part. This part is our B minus A. So shaded portion is our B minus A. Next, after the difference operation, another operation is your complement of a set. Complement of a set. Previously we are considering two sets. We can consider also more than two sets, but here when finding complement, we will consider only one set. So for this you have to take first universal set. Let U be the universal set. A be any subset of U. Then the complement of set A, we will find complement of which set? Set A, not universal set. Rather we will find the complement of set A. Then the complement of set A is denoted as what? It will be A complement or A dash, and is defined as, how it is defined? A complement equal to, so here we will consider the elements of U, not the elements of A. So A complement is equal to U minus A. Now we discuss the difference of two sets. So A complement is again a set of which elements? The elements of universal set but not the elements of U. So A complement is same as the difference of two sets U and A. So A complement equal to U minus A. What is U here? U is your universal set and A set what we consider, the given set. So A complement equal to U minus A, and how it is defined, as you know, previously we discussed the difference of two sets. Set of elements X such that U minus A means the elements present in U and does not present in set A. So we'll consider those elements of U which are not in A set. Yes, if we'll draw the Venn diagram of this complement of this set, so what will be our Venn diagram? As usual, you know, this is your U set, universal set. Let A be a subset of U. So what is U minus A? A complement. A complement is your set of elements of U not in A. So the portions what I will say is set of elements of U but not in A. These elements will not consider because it is A complement. So we will exclude the elements of A. Rather, what element we will consider? We will consider the elements present in U but not in A. So the shaded portion is our A complement.